How to expand/flatten pandas dataframe efficiently. I have a dataset that on one of its columns, each element is a list. I would like to flatten it, such that every list element would have a row of its own. I managed to solve it with iteros, dict and append see below, but it is too slow with my true DF that is large. Is there a way to make things faster? I can consider replacing the column with list per element in another format, maybe hierarchical DF? If that would make more sense. Edit. I have many columns, and some might change in the future. The only thing I know for sure is that I have the fields column. That's why I use dict in my solution. A minimal example, creating a DF to play with. Resulting DF. My slow solution. Resulting with.
You can break the lists in the fields column into multiple columns by applying pandas.series to fields, and then merging to ID and name like so. Then you can mount the resulting new columns using set_index and stack, and then resetting the index. Finally, drop the redundant column generated by reset_index and rename the generated column to field.
You can use NumPy for better performance. Both solutions use mainly NumPy.repeat. Another solution. dfid name.values converts columns to NumPy array and duplicate them by NumPy.repeat, then stack values in lists by NumPy.stack and edit by NumPy.column_stack. More general solution is filter out column fields and then add it to dataframe constructor, because always last column.
If your CSV is many thousands of lines long, then using _string_ methods below may be faster than using _iteros or using _repeat. With So for a 10,000 line CSV, using _string_ methods is over 600x faster than using _iteros, and marginally faster than using _repeat. Generally, fast NumPy/pandas operations are possible only when the data is in a native NumPy type, such as int64 or float64, or strings. Once you place lists, a non-native NumPy type, in a data frame, the jig is up. You are forced to use Python speed loops to process the lists. So to improve performance, you need to avoid placing lists in a data frame. Using _string_ methods loads the field's data as strings. And avoid using the apply method, which is generally as slow as a plain Python loop. Instead, it uses faster vectorized string methods to break the strings up into separate columns. Once you have the fields in separate columns, you can use pd.melt to reshape the data frame into the desired format. By the way, you might be interested to see that with a slight modification, using _iteros can be just as fast as using _repeat. I show the changes in using _ittuples. The ef.ittuples tends to be slightly faster than df.iteros, but the difference is minor. The majority of the speed gain is achieved by avoiding calling df.append in a for loop, since that leads to quadratic copying.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.